So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create TV channel on Zoho CRM. So for that, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website and now log into your account right here. Then click on this profile picture icon and now click on the Access Zoho CRM. Select this settings icon. Now select the motivator option and now choose this access motivator button. Now guys, you can see the TV channel option right here and click on this create TV channel button. Now first of all you will have to select the timer, which can be from 5 seconds to 25 seconds, and then you have to click on this plus icon. Now choose your component type, and according to your component type you will need to fill all of the details right here. Let's say you have selected KPI, then you have to give details all of this, and let's say you have selected target, then you have to fill all of these details, and if you have selected game, then you have to just select your game right here. And after filling all of your details, you just have to click on this button right here called add, and now you have successfully created TV channel on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.